Hi, there's some immature, silly clowns online saying that plants feel pain, don't go vegan, you're going to harm plants. These immature kids fail to recognize or are too ignorant to know that we feed most of our plants to animals. It takes about 16 pounds of crops fed to force-bred animals for just 1 pound of meat in return, because most of it is crapped out. Yes, most is crapped out. We feed about 16 pounds of our crops for 1 pound of meat, so it also increases world hunger and massive food waste. So if you care about plants, you would be vegan. You eat about 16 times more plants than me by eating meat. So, also, it doesn't kill a plant to take a banana off a tree or a grape or most crops, corn. It doesn't even kill the plant. So, while you're being a hypocrite, you might want to use your head for something productive in your life because you kill more plants. And maybe you should look up the definitions of sentient and mammal. Hearts, brains, lungs. Maybe you should use your brain for good for a change. So, if plants feel pain, if I agree with you, you're killing way more plants and contributing to world hunger and food waste. So stop being a flaming hypocrite. If you care about plants or the environment, you would be vegan. Animal agriculture is horrible for the environment. You can't care about plants or the environment if you eat meat. So stop being a hypocrite and save the lame excuses. Next silly, ignorant excuse. Go for it. Since you know more than me when I've been vegan for 16 years, and you obviously haven't even done enough research to know that it takes more plants to make meat. Thank you.